Next question, Honorable Meea.
Yeah, B462.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this government ambitions to provide this country with a safe, fast and reliable public transport. The Metro Express is a fitting example of such an innovative and alternative mode of transport. Since the start of operations in December 2019, Metro Express has already safely transported some 1.4 million passengers. In order to run safely and in line with international standards, Metro Express Limited has ensured compliance with all safety and security equipments. In this regard, amongst others, all the assets of mail staff, and for any third-party necessary arrangements have been made to contact appropriate insurance covers in anticipation of the start of operations. Similar to what is being provided in the Road Traffic Act for land transport, the Light Rail Act puts the burden on MEL to ensure that its policy of insurance covers and captures relevant risk that may result out of the operation of its light rail vehicles. In addition, under the light rail license issued by NLTA to the light rail operator, MEL is required to secure and maintain in full force and effect various insurance policies to cater inter alia for its operations, employer liability, and protection of its assets against physical damage. In fact, with a view to ensuring that operational risks are adequately covered through appropriate insurance policies, Section 15 of the Light Rail Act mandatorily imposes on MEL to contract third-party insurance in respect of its light rail vehicles. Mr. Speaker, sir, with regards to Part A of the question, I am informed that in view of its novelty and its technical intricacies of the light rail, a competitive international tender exercise was launched by MEL to appoint an insurance broker in October 2018. Following this exercise, City Broker Limited was appointed in January 2019. In collaboration with MEL, CBL prepared the bidding documents and launched a competitive tender exercise on the 6th of August 2019 involving 12 insurers. In order for Metro Express Limited to offer a world-class service, thorough safety, security and risk assessment exercises were conducted. Given the complexity of most of the insurable risks, these were categorized into 3 packages, namely 1. Property damage, 2. Business interruption, and 3. Third-party liability. Local insurance companies were invited to submit their best quotes to provide the appropriate insurance cover for the above insurable risk specific to the railway sector. By the closing date of 2nd September 2019, 7 insurers submitted their quotations. CBL conducted a thorough evaluation of the bids in collaboration with MEL, and a report was submitted to MEL's board for approval on the 10th of September 2019. The board approved the recommendations of CBL and awarded the contract for insurance to the SICOM Swan Tandem on the 20th September 2019 based on the best evaluated offer and their respective area of specialization. With regard to Part B of the question, sir, the period of insurance is for 1 year, starting from 30th September 2019 to 30th September 2020. The annual premium is 40 million rupees and covers MEL overall assets for Phase 1 estimated at 9 million rupees. I am informed as from September 2019, MEL has put in place all the required policies and prerequisites in accordance with the Light Rail Act 2019 to operate a public transport light rail transit system. These include appropriate insurance policies that cover MEL operations in respect of the following liabilities: MEL property damage, that is fire, cyclone, flood, earthquake, terrorist attack, riots, collision, derailment. Secondly, MEL business interruption, loss of revenue and increased cost of working as a result of above. And thirdly, MEL liability towards employees, passengers and other third parties. My ministry is thus comforted that necessary arrangements have been put in place by MEL to comply with the provisions of the law. Mr. Speaker, sir, the House may therefore rest assured that MEL has made due arrangements to be adequately covered under relevant policies of insurance in order to provide for a safe and efficient commute, and that all risks pertaining to the operation of the light rail are duly captured under insurance contracts.
Mr. Speaker, There has been a few cases of accident and theft of cables. Can I ask the Honorable Minister, has there been any claim made to the insurance companies? And if yes, how much has been claimed and how much has been received by mail?
The Honourable Member is right, Mr. Speaker, sir. As at date, 6 incidents have been reported, of which 1 is being settled on amicable terms, and the remaining 5 claims have been sent to the insurance company. 1 has been settled, as I just said, and the remaining 4 are still being processed by the insurance company.